In this video, I show you how to create a new project in Shotcut. If this video helps you, please remember to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Hi, my name is Joe and welcome to the Ubitronics YouTube channel. In this video, we'll go over creating a brand new project in Shotcut. So to start off, I've assumed you've got Shotcut already installed. If you haven't, take a look in the top right hand corner now and click onto that link. It will take you on to how to install Shotcut for Windows 10. So once installed, you'll see this screen when you first load up. You may have a different option on this side. It doesn't really matter. The very first thing that you're interested in is your new project screen here. There are three things to consider. So your projects folder, if you click into that, you will see the default location for all of the projects and where they will be saved to. So for me, it's in my default videos folder. I'm going to keep it selected as that, but you may want to change that. So just be aware that's how you do it. With the project name, every project needs a title. So I'm just going to call mine test. And what that's going to do is when we click the start button, it's going to create a new folder within this location called test. And then all of the video files that are associated to that project will be in the test folder. Okay, and if this project was named something different, then it would be called a different project folder name. So moving down onto the project mode. Now, initially, I recommend you leave this as is because there's lots of different options that you can select, predefined options, and there's also custom things that you can create. In later videos, I will show you how to create your own ones. But to start off with, you're probably okay with automatic. And automatic means that when you pull in a clip of a video or a certain size of an image or whatever, then it's going to automatically select the image size for you. So it will automatically adjust to your images and your videos that you pull into Shotcut. So unless you know that you need a higher resolution or a better quality, I'd recommend just starting there, and you can always change later on if you need to. This setting is not set in stone after the project's created, so you can always change it and upscale or downscale as you need to later on. As a starting point, you can leave it as automatic, and that just says there, this is the screen resolution for a 1080p screen, so 1920 times 1080p, and then 25 frames per second. Once that's done, click start. And now what that has done is it's created all of the files in the background, which I'll quickly demonstrate for you. So in my videos location, I've now got a test folder. And in the test folder, I've got the one single file that has been created by Shotcut. As you start working on your project, there'll be more files that are created in here by Shotcut, but they are all kept in this one kind of tidy location. So now you're ready to create your first project and to start working on your first project. If you need help with that, then please keep watching the tutorial series and I will see you in the next video.